Traffic intersection in the city, any intersection, and look at the camera. There's a camera in every intersection. They could just kind of zoom, pan, and like kind of turn. Look at the camera. There's vehicle counting in the system. There are, again, it's very smart. I mean, if you have installed sensors on the road and all that, it's very expensive and also maintenance prone. So they have like camera-based vehicle counting. It can automatically adjust the directions, how much light is there, how much duration the light on each intersection is. They're all solar powered. So sitting from the control room, they can even check how much of the charge is coming in through the solar panels. And like if there is power coming from the main electric power supply. And they're all connected. Every intersection is connected to the control room. Now, this is a use case right here in Hyderabad rolled out. I think 260 intersections. All the intersections in the city now are part of this solution. And, sorry, I think too loud now. So all the intersections are part of the solution now, and they're all connected to the control room. In the Cyberabad area, it's in the Cyberabad Commissionerate, and the Hyderabad area is in the main control room in near the assembly. Now, so it's real. It's not the smart cities is not something that is only meant for like the more well-off countries. There are many use cases right here, and regardless of where the use cases are, like we do right just in the city, we have industry that is 4,000, and we got devices. We were not sure. We announced like because by and large we are not used to building much anything, especially electronics but we still said it's a smart city hackathon. Let's just get and keep it. So we got a lot of base electronics. We got Arduino kits. We got like Snapcode. We got Raspberry Pi, multiple kits, and we were surprised at the number of teams that actually picked up. About 40% of the students, 40 to 50% of those that were participating in the hackathon were students. And we were surprised at the number of the electronic components, things like resistors and capacitors and soldering irons, that was picked by the team, and they actually built something into this. And almost all the teams, most of the teams had like some kind of a hardware component. They were like mobile gyro based, like just to sense the road conditions. As the vehicle moves, you just turn the app on and just go on the road. As the vehicle is moving, the GPS coordinates, it tracks, maps the road condition, where it's very kind of smooth or where it is like rough or where there are potholes. And there was one of the applications built using the gyro in the phone itself. There was collision detection, there was automatic crash compacting and crash sensing how much of the trash bins are full or empty. Many kind of solutions were built, and many of them were topical for us. It was part of the our conference, so we said like pick ideas that are relevant to India and specifically Hyderabad. But there are a lot of challenges in the whole smart city. And from a software standpoint, there's one place where like the hardware meets software. Implicitly, most smart city solutions, the things, as I say, Internet of Things, is a very key part of the solutions. It is inherent to any good smart city solution. There will be a lot of sensors, there will be a lot of controls that need to be activated, and of course the back-end solution and different mobile. So it's kind of contemplating that sense from a software standpoint, but it does always interface with hardware. So with that brief introduction, I would like to get the discussion started. So we'll have some views expressed by, we have two very interesting perspectives. One, Mitesh from Oracle, and then like Ram from Paradigm IT. Both are in the smart city solution space, and both come from a technology background. So they understand what kind of solutions are, or the problems are there that need to be solved, smart city problems, and also understand how it can be solved, the approaches, architectures, and the technologies. And so we just get their opening comments first, and then we'll get into a discussion to discuss some of the facets. I'm hoping the next 1 hour or so that we get a sense of what is this. I mean, for those that are not initiated yet into smart city, get a quick sense of what kind of solutions, use cases form smart cities. Then look at how the solutions are built, some approaches in terms of how the solutions are built, and then also look at the technologies and like the products or platforms and technologies at play when building the solutions, smart city solutions using IoT, Internet of Things. So with that brief introduction, I would call upon Ram to kind of set the context by talking about just defining what is smart city, and then also just throwing some light on the broad use cases. I mean, smart city is not necessarily only about the city administration. There are many facets of smart city. So just throw some light on some of the use cases.